Hi, welcome to TBCS. I'm Tanvir. Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm here for explaining a question from Human Biology past paper. And directly without any giving any introduction, I'm just going, you are watching that first question, what is the name of this structure, right? You are watching, this is the part of lungs has been drawn. If you understand this part of lungs, you have to understand the total human body. This is the human body, this is the lungs, and this is the heart, right? This is the right bronchus, this is the left bronchus. Exactly in one bronchus there are several bronchioles. Okay, and in each bronchioles there are alveoli. These are the small air sacs. These are the bronchioles, alveoli. So the simple, this picture has been taken from the total lungs, bronchus of lungs. So the answer of A is bronchioles. Okay, now I am going to the B1. You are watching that the question, the arrow on the diagram show the direction of the blood flow. Name the organ that supplies blood to the alveoli. I mean blood to the alveoli, right? The total blood circulation, if you want to understand the total blood circulation to the alveoli and away from the alveoli, I have to mention the total picture, symbolic picture. This is the heart, the blood pumping machine, and this is the lungs. Please, this is the symbolic picture. All blood from the human body being received by vena cava, and after bad blood, dark blood being received by vena cava, now heart is giving pulmonary through the pulmonary artery. Artery mean giving and vein mean receiving. Don't forget. You know that vein mean receiving and artery mean giving. But the problem, the pulmonary, the word pulmonary. Pulmonary mean always lungs related. Please. The word pulmonary mean lungs related. And artery mean giving and vein mean receiving. So the blood is being given to the alveoli. Okay, the answer, name the organ supplies blood to the alveoli. Of course, the answer is but they didn't tell about the blood vessel. This is the tricks has been applied. They have told the organ which supply blood. If this is being asked, the blood vessel which supply, the answer is pulmonary artery. So in exam hall, if you write the pulmonary artery, your answer is right. But in tricks, on question of right answer, your answer is wrong. Have you understood? Because it has been asked the name of the organ which supply blood to the alveoli. Alveoli just a small air bag in the lungs. But my talk, this is the pulmonary artery and this is the pulmonary vein. I mean, giving blood is pulmonary artery and receiving blood is pulmonary vein. As a teacher, this is my duty is repeating. Don't take it otherwise. So pulmonary artery is the answer, but they have told about the organ. In the human body, first is cell, then tissue, then organ, then system, then total human body. So organ, the heart is a organ, and this total matter is system, whatever. This is a different talk. So I'm talking the tricky answer. The organ name is heart. Okay, so the direct answer B1 is heart. In exam hall, you have to watch the question very carefully, because the giving or mechanism blood vessel is called pulmonary artery, but here the answer is heart. Many of my students quickly write the right answer but in a wrong way and get the bad result. So after completing the book, you have to practice lot of international question paper. So what is the stage? First, completing book. Second, solving international question. And then rectifying, watching, evaluating the answer through the international answer. I am telling these all from the international answer. This is the duty of a teacher, not finishing the book. In the most institute, people just finish the book. They don't practice question paper, they don't see the answer paper. These two matter are always ignored. That's why student completing school, student get bad result. Why? Because tricks of giving international question is another episode. Whatever. The second matter B2. I told that the vein mean receiving. After reaction being held, vein mean receiving blood. So the direct answer is pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein. But I have something to explain. You know that normally receiving blood mean vein, but here receiving blood is fortunately not dark. Why? This is reddish blood, fresh blood. Vein mean dark matter, vein mean bad blood, but from the heart, the blood that is being received to the heart again, that is the reddish. Because after the absorption, after the reaction being held through the process, diffusion, the blood now fully rectified, oxygenated blood. So this is just for your understanding. The answer is pulmonary vein, undoubtedly, but you need to believe that always vein doesn't mean bad blood. Vein, bad blood in the case of heart, because heart received the bad blood, right, through the vena cava. And from the pulmonary, the vein mean good on. I mean the fresh oxygenated blood, okay, received to the heart, last of all aorta, through the fresh blood to the whole body. Okay, so thank you very much. The video is getting longer. Thank you very much. Please try to understand. Completing book is one matter, and solving I'll do chapter wise. Please be with me, be with us. I'll solve many questions chapter wise, topic wise. Thank you very much.